Hey guys, I'm Sandy and welcome to Little Monster Eats. For our 3-meal with 1 prep episode today, I am using quinoa, veggie and cheese quinoa cups, tomato chickpea quinoa salad, and cheesy chicken broccoli quinoa bake. So to start, I have some quinoa that I already cooked. I will put all the recipes in the description box below. I made 2 cups total for these 3 meals, which yields about 5 cups of cooked quinoa. The first meal is veggie and cheese quinoa cups. Preheat your oven to 365 degrees. I have in my mixing bowl 2 eggs and 2 egg whites, already whisked with some seasonings. And to this, I will add the cooked quinoa, some chopped broccoli, some diced tomatoes, diced onions, and some shredded cheese. Stir it up and transfer to a lightly sprayed mini muffin tin and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until fully cooked through. You will get this. Veggie and cheese quinoa cups. These are great for breakfast or snack meal prepping, and you can freeze them too. You will get about 40 cups for this recipe. The second meal is a tomato chickpea quinoa salad. So using the same cooked quinoa batch, I have about 1 and 1.5 cups of quinoa. And to this, I added some cilantro, some chickpeas, tomatoes, and stir it up. I made a dressing in this mason jar, and in the dressing I have in there some olive oil, some lime, garlic, and some salt and pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it over the salad, and we have a quick and delicious lunch meal prep. Tomato chickpea quinoa salad. You can leave it vegetarian like this, or you can serve it up with some grilled chicken. And this will last in an airtight container in the fridge for 4 days. Just make sure you keep the dressing on the side when you prep. Now the last meal is a simple 5-ingredient casserole. Cheesy chicken broccoli quinoa bake. Keep your oven at 375 degrees, and in your prepared dish, you're gonna start out with a can of condensed cream soup. I use mushroom here. To this, I'm gonna add some cooked chicken breast, and you can use some rotisserie chicken here if you would like. Then you're gonna add in the quinoa, broccoli, and some shredded cheese. Mix it all together really well. And then you're gonna put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes. Then once the 20 minutes is up, take it out, and you're gonna top it off with some more cheese and turn it on in the broiler. Put it in there for about 3 minutes to top it off, and then make it melted and gooey. And once you do that, you'll have an easy and cheesy chicken broccoli quinoa bake. A quick dinner option and a perfect way to make a weekly meal prep. So you guys see how delicious this 3-meal with 1 prep using quinoa turned out? And quinoa is packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Pretty good option to consider for your meals, right? What other ingredients do you want to see be used next? Comment down below and let me know. As always, if you find this meal prep helpful, please like and share. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats. Thanks for watching and have a monsterific day.